You're at the point of no return. You've got your houses marked. You've got your cut marks ready to go. And now comes the dreaded part. Running your cords through your snow base can be really frustrating. Why? Well, sometimes they can get tangled in your snow base. Sometimes they get lost, and sometimes they just end up on the other side of your table and you're wondering what happened. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks to help you along the way so that it's as easy as possible. At this point in your construction, you should have cut marks through your snow base where your electrical cords will go. And you should also have all of your electrical cords tested. If not, take a step back and get to that point. We recommend that you have a couple of tools on hand. A fine pair of scissors with a very sharp tip, white electrical tape, and painter's tape. Now for this step, it's very important to figure out which end of your light cord will go through your snow base. After years of dealing with light cords, we recommend that you choose the smaller and the less likely to get caught up in your snow base end. With an animation end, obviously the plug end is much larger, so you would want to go with the outlet end. What you will want to do is hold your snow base with 2 fingers on one hand and pull the plug end of your light cord through the hole. Be careful of the switch, it can get caught. Once your plug in is completely through, your bulb end will be at the top of your snow base. You can secure it with white electrical tape or painter's tape, whichever you prefer. Sometimes you may come across an electrical cord that is too large for your cut mark. Well, don't worry about that. You've got your pair of scissors nearby. Go ahead and extend your cut mark so that your electrical cord goes through with ease. But we recommend lifting up your snow base and pulling the cords through. We also recommend bundling your light cords together with a piece of white electrical tape. 3 cords to a bundle, which is the same amount that can fit into your extension cord. Sometimes the switches can turn to off as you're pulling it through your snow base, so go ahead and double check. Plug everything into your power source and make sure everything is lit and working. And you have just completed the most tedious step in the village process. If you need a printable list or pictures, visit our website, snowvillagestudio.com, under the base section. The next step, applying your houses to your light cords. And we're going to be here for you through that step as well. Stay tuned. Happy villaging!